That's you ladies. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all having a blessed day because I am. Now, I got another package, so let's open this up and see what I have received from the Curl Box this month. Okay. Ooh, it's kind of. The box won't need to close. Look, it's not even close. Like the box. See, look at this. This box look kind of raggedy. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I got some good stuff. But it seemed like they couldn't really close it. I still have my first box that I got the other couple weeks last month. And we opened it. See how neatly nice and everything. This one about to open. Anyway, let's see what's inside, y'all. 1, 2. Oh, I got cocoa butter lotion. Okay, no wonder it won't close. Okay, I got cocoa butter hand cream. Alrighty. Cocoa butter body lotion. Okay. Another cocoa butter body lotion. Okay. Another cocoa butter hand cream. Okay. And this is by Palmer's. Okay, they did send me some cocoa oil 2-step hair mask. Okay. Okay, they sent me some lip balm. 2 of them. Okay, another hair mask. Let's see, pre-shampoo, 0 breakage, pre-shampoo with raw coconut oil. Okay, with macadamia, avocado, argan oil, and mango butter. Okay, and they sent me 2 of them. Okay. Okay, and we got a Torban soft knot, soft scratch, holds hair back while you put on makeup. Alrighty. So y'all already know I'm not a big makeup fan. I basically do a little eyeshadow, sometimes just to play around with colors just for the heck of it. And they got a little card in here. It said made with love. It's free of paraben, mineral oil, sulfate, and dyes. Okay, there's a little coupon. Say 30% on coconut oil. Okay, at Palmer's.com. Code CurlKit COL. Okay, so I am gonna put this code down at the bottom if I can remember, for my subscribers can have access to get 30% off. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it close so y'all can see the code as well, just in case I forget. And if I forget and you can't see it on video, just comment below, hey Pam, what's the code? I hope y'all can see it. CurlKit. Y'all see it? CurlKit COL. Like I said, I will put it down below. I want y'all to use this if you want to get some coconut oil primer It's a Palmer's coconut oil formula. Okay, so today, also in this video, I'm going to be asking some questions, and the first person comment below get these questions correct, they will be the next person that will receive free giveaways. I'm going to give away some of this Palmer coconut. I mean, I got double of everything. So I will give you the body lotion, I will give you the hand cream, I will give you the makeup scarf band, I will give you the coconut balm, and I will give you the 2-in-1 hair mask. Can't beat that, right? Can't beat that. Okay? I mean, I will give it to you. They double gave me double, so I'm going to be nice. I like to be nice, y'all. And I'm going to give you one, okay? Alrighty. So, yeah, and they gave me the free shampoo, so you get a free shampoo. So, and you're going to receive the wide toucan. Okay? Yep. Now I know I'm late with this giveaway. I supposed to did it weeks ago. Yeah, I do apologize, y'all, but I've been so busy, as I stated before. I've been working busy, haven't really had time to do anything with as far as videos and stuff like that. So, you know, I'm trying to amp it back up, put more videos out, at least 2 videos a week, hopefully. So just pray that I will get better, you know, with upload videos. You know, hopefully, you know, God will give me some time, allow me to have time to upload at least 2 videos a week, instead of waiting like a whole another 5-6 days for I upload the next. Okay? Alright, so I want somebody, and this is the first person who comment and get our questions correct. Don't cheat, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Alright, so comment below, and first question, what is my favorite color? What is my favorite color? Now, you can say one color or you can say 2 colors. It's really one color, but if you think that it's a second color, like that color and another color, then you can put that down. And this is someone that actually watched me and is a true supporter, subscriber supporter, that would know some of these questions. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so what is my favorite color? Let's see, where is my husband from? Like, what city and state is he from? Yeah, okay. What is my oldest daughter nickname? I think that sums it up. I wish I can go live with this, because I don't know, I'm not saying that y'all gonna go back and try to watch old videos and stuff like that just to try to look up some answers, but every time I try to go live, for some reason it's no volume. I don't know what's been going on. I have 2 laptops, so I don't try it on both laptops, it doesn't work. And you know, now if you're not if you don't have like over 1,000 subscribers, you can't go live on your phone. So I know this will be a lot more better if I can go live, and then y'all join me and answer instantly, because I feel like, well, they really ain't going back watching videos trying to figure out these answers, and then they coming back to the live video, you know, answering the question. So once again, what's my favorite color? You can answer 1 color, or you can answer 2 colors. For some of y'all, you might feel like it's 2 colors, and don't be deceived now. Don't think, you know, oh well, it's most likely this one. It might not be. So okay, where is my husband from? City and state. Okay. And what is my oldest daughter nickname? Okay, so comment and the first person to get all 3 answers right, they will receive this stuff I said I was going to give out. Let me show y'all again. Okay. Alright, you will receive the coconut oil body lotion. Okay. You're going to receive the hand cream. Okay, I'm going to give you the 2-step hair mask. Okay, you're going to get the lip balm. Okay, you're going to get this makeup, this little head scarf you can put on as you put on your makeup and wash your face and stuff like that. And it says it on the back, you know, you can use it as a sleep cap. It's a lot of things you can use it for. You can use it for just a cute little wrap or whatever. So yeah, this Zero Break pre-shampoo. Okay. You're gonna receive this hairspray, and I buy a lot of these little things, so when I give out free giveaways, I can just give out a hairspray. All of us need hairspray naturally, and we need some hair clips when we are doing our hair. So I keep some of this on deck. So yeah, this is something that probably be give out. These 2 items and the little Y2 comb will be something that always kind of be available when I give out free giveaways and stuff like that, because I always keep these on deck. Like when I go to the store, I'm grabbing them and like, okay, let me stick on these, because these are something that I need too. You know what I'm saying? So I'm always stacking up on hair clips, you know, little Y2 combs, hair sprays and stuff like that. So you will get all this stuff. So one more time, the 3 questions are: what is my favorite color? Okay, what is my favorite color? Or what is my favorite colors, if you think there are 2? Okay, what city and state my husband is from? And what is my oldest daughter nickname? Alright, y'all. So thank y'all for tuning in, watching what Curl Kit sent me for this month. I'm late with this video because I received this Curl Kit probably a week ago. So yeah, but I've been blogging me on a daily basis, kind of like here and there what I did for that day and stuff like that. I'm trying to get a little more into that. Just trying to see how that work out. I thank y'all for supporting me so truly. I wish I can give all my subscribers a giveaway. I just wish I could. So I'm trying to, you know, do different things for people can have more better chance than winning. Y'all know usually I do the random name, but I said this time I'm gonna do something different. This is what I came up with. If y'all have any suggestions, comment below or shoot me a message on my social media, and like suggestions on how I can do different kind of giveaways. Yeah, hopefully maybe I can do like a Christmas giveaway. So y'all help me out and give me some tips and some points on how should I do a Christmas holiday free giveaway to one of my subscribers, maybe 2 of my subscribers, I don't know yet. But yeah, so I thank y'all for tuning in. Stay beautiful, my naturally beauty, naturally women. I love y'all. Be blessed, and until next time, peace. Y'all better answer the question.